Okay. So team, I'll give you the quick introduction one more time. So this is a TOSCA commander. Okay. So we all are here to learn the TOSCA automation testing. Okay. So the TOSCA is nothing but one of the testing tool. In the market, we have a lot of testing tools, but we are choosing the best automation tool as a TOSCA. And here there is no coding. No need to learn any coding here to do the testing. So compared to the Selenium and TOSCA, TOSCA is having more features, and going forward, it will replace it will replace the Selenium as well, because the Selenium will support only web, and TOSCA will support a different combinations of applications. Nowadays, the companies are introducing this Tricentis TOSCA for all SAP-based applications, web and banking and user interface, desktop-based applications, and a lot of applications team. So topmost level 5 companies are using this Tricentis, and even startup companies also started using this TOSCA because the Tricentis are reduce the license cost. Okay. So now we have the latest version of TOSCA. It is a 16.0, and but currently I'm using the TOSCA version is 15.0 patch 5. Every year, the Tricentis will release around 5 patches team, say single version. For example, 16th is the version. So in 16th version, they'll release minimum 5 patches, upgrading of the Tricentis with the new modifications. So daily our class timings is 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and around 35 days of duration we have. So coming to TOSCA components team. So TOSCA components, TOSCA commander, executor, CI and wizard. Okay. So 15.50, that is a version, right? So this will 15.0 and above versions, we don't have this TOSCA wizard. Okay, so the Tricentis are revoked this version and they introduced to the Vision AI. It's a meaning of artificial intelligence. So we can include that Vision AI as a part of component as well. Okay, but earlier we have only these components, the TOSCA commander, executor, and CI. Okay. So what is TOSCA commander? TOSCA commander is the component team, and this is acting as a desktop tool. So we need to download this tool into our system, then we'll do the testing. Okay. So see, this is the TOSCA commander. This installation part and license activations, everything will be taken care by the management only. DURGASOFT management will taken care of this. So to install this TOSCA commander in your system team, must you have some Windows system configurations like Windows 10 and 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, i3, i5 and i7 processors. Any one is fine team, not 3. Any one is processor is fine. So if we have 1 TB or SSD, anything is fine. So the RAM is at least minimum 8 GB RAM team. Okay. So then this is a TOSCA commander, and here you can see the lot of features. This one is the project icon, scratchbook, and here is the check-in, all checkout. So I will tell you these all the things. So each project level team, we have some sections. So those sections are module section and test case section and execution and test case design. Why I am highlighting only these 4 sections. So in real time, we have some test management tools to maintain the project requirements, to do the test planning, to raise the defects to the developer. So that could be a Zero or a HPLM or a QTest or DevOps. So we have different test management tools. So in TOSCA Commander, we have additional feature that is the test management. So around you're able to see here 8 to 9 sections team. But in these sections, only 4 sections we are going to use for test automation and rest of the sections for test management. But currently we are using this test management, this TOSCA for only a testing purpose. Okay. We are not using this TOSCA for management purpose. If we are using for testing purpose, only these 4 sections are important. Okay. So the first section is module section, test case section, execution, and test case designing section. Okay. The next one is test management tool. Okay. This is a test management tool. So in TOSCA, we have requirement section, test planning, and issues as well. Let me.
Sorry, Jyothi, what is that tool name?
TOSCA Commander.
TOSCA Commander.
So here you can see that naming conversion as well. Where? Yeah. So top of this, you can see TOSCA Commander and project location. You can see my cursor. TOSCA Commander : demo. Demo is my project, and C drive, TOSCA workspace, demo.tws.
No, Jyothi. We can't able
Are
to
you
see.
able to see TOSCA Commander at least?
No. Actually, they're showing some your view, Jyothi, on a screen like that on the record.
No. She's asking about the screen. We are able to see, right?
Screen. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, able to screen, but we can't able to see the command.
That itself TOSCA Commander, I think, if I am not wrong.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
this is the TOSCA Commander. Now you're able to see, right, this one?
Yes.
This is the TOSCA
Yeah, now
Commander.
fine.
Okay. Maybe your side some network issue is there. You can cross check that. Okay. Team, this is the TOSCA Commander. If you want, I will do one thing. I'll do check-in all and close this workspace. I'll open again. So let me search with TOSCA. Go with Windows search. After installation, you can see like this, search with TOSCA Commander. Okay. Commander is the component. So we'll use this Commander only for testing purpose. So open this TOSCA Commander. So this is a Commander team. I'm using 15.0 patch 5 version. And here you can see a lot of projects. I'm opening one project, TOSCA project. So for admin, as an admin team, you no need to enter any credentials here. Okay, directly you can do click operation and login. So see here, the module sections, test case section, so requirement section and issues, test planning. These three sections we're going to use for test management perspective. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
Jyothi, continue.
yeah, this is a TOSCA commander team, and here you can see the sections which we discussed now. So totally 3 sections. These three sections we are going to use for test management perspective only. Okay. Coming to workflow team. So in TOSCA test case workflow, first we'll get the requirement. So we'll get the requirement, and after getting the requirement, so as a reference, I will show you how we will get the requirement. So you will get requirement through Excel workbook team, you'll get through test management tool, either Jira or HPLM. Then after that, so understand the requirement, test cases each and every point to point. And after understanding the functionality, then start working in TOSCA Commander. So what are the test cases built by the manual testing department? That is a prerequisite for the automation team. Okay. So we'll take that requirement, and based on that test cases, we'll start working on this. Okay now. So finally, go to here. So the requirement workflow is team module creation, test case development, and execution. Today I'll explain the standard module. Team, this is the standard module subset provided by Tricentis only. So here by default inbuilt some modules are there. Based on our requirement, our test case feasibilities, we will use few of the modules here. So see here, a basic window operation related module. So these modules you can see very clearly. Taking of snipping, screenshot, take a screenshot, clipboard activities, T-box and case activities, and how to handle the window. Window means how to minimize the window, maximize the window, and do some operations on these. Okay. These are the major things here, team. Okay. T-box save as window. So these all are the inbuilt modules. Okay. If you had a situation, then you can reuse these modules so as per the test case. Okay. So these modules are nothing but this is a scrolling window. So here you can see in our browser level. So scrolling bar, this is a vertical scroll bar, right? And if you go here, and this is a horizontal scroll bar. To handle this scroll bar team, so the Tricentis is build one standard module for that. We'll use this standard module to do the operation, to do the scrolling activity, either vertically or horizontally. Okay. So this one is a buffer operations. Buffer operations is nothing but T-box name to buffer. And it's a kind of variable creation. So who are working on a Selenium, they know how to create a variables. If we have some basic knowledge on either Java, Python team, so everyone knows the creating of variables and assigning some values to the variable. For example, if I create int of a and a equal to 10, then what is the meaning of this one?
Variable A.
So we created one variable, that variable will accept only a integer values, right?
Yes.
So such a kind of things we in the TOSCA terminology, TOSCA perspective, we are calling as a buffer operation. What it is? It's a buffer operations. So here is the same purpose team. Here also we'll create the variables and we'll reuse those variables in our test case development level. Coming to expression evaluation. So in this expression evaluation team, to compare two variables is having same value or less than activities, A less than B, B less than A, and A equal to B, A not equal to B. So to validate two buffers are having the same content or not. So based on that, we'll use this model to evaluate two variables are having same data or not. And coming to here, these all are the file operations. File operations is nothing but in our file explorer level, like in documents level, the document level, or any C drive, D drive, E drive. So what are the drives we have in our laptop now? So in that laptop level team, so we'll create some files and we'll do some operations, right? So in TOSCA, we have one standard module subset, file operations. Here we can create the file, any kind of file with the help of extension. For example, I'm planning to create a file with the extension as .pdf. Then we can create it, no problem. It will create one PDF document. It will create one XML document. It will create one JSON document like this thing. So create and read file, and this module is for append module. To append, to enter some value to the existing file level, move or rename the file, copy file one location to another location, deleting of files. So comparison, if two file comparisons, if both the files are having same data or not. Next, file existency. So and so drive location. So we are looking for one file existency. Is that file exist in that location or not? And image comparisons. I have two images. Those two images data is identical or not. Such a kind of things we can handle with the help of this standard modules team. Okay. And the finally folder operations. So we can create the folders and delete the folder, and we can copy our folder one location to another location. And if we want to verify the existence of specific folder in specific drive locations, we can do that one as well. So this one is a converting decimal tip, and a T-box start program to launch a desktop-based application will use this standard module. To launch a desktop-based application, we'll use this standard module. And here you can see the resource handling, deleting of Selenium script strip. So Selenium script is nothing but we're connecting to the Selenium server. And after that, we are running our scripts in Selenium. Okay. So the timings is T-box wait, T-box start timer, and end timer. These all are the additional waits. And if the client wants to take a time of one end-to-end test case execution timeline, then we'll take start timer and end timer, start executing starting of the test case and ending of the test case as well. So coming to downtime, these all are the basic T-box automation tools. So we have another as well. Let me show you how it looks like. T-box X engines. So these are the
Jyothi,
XML module. Yes.
Jyothi, sorry. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
Why we use TOSCA?
So the TOSCA is to test the application.
Yes, Selenium is also doing the same thing.
But Selenium will automate only web, right?
Yes.
Can we automate any? So do you know Selenium? The first one?
Yeah. Yes.
No Selenium. So what you will do in Selenium?
Selenium I can do with only web application only.
Okay. How you will interact with this application?
How means?
How means will you write any coding to do the automation, or what it is exactly?
Yes. I need to write some code.
Based
interact
on
with the app.
so for example, assume your good name is Kiran. Okay. I assign this test case to you. Okay.
No. Why I interrupt you? Because you don't tell about all the other things.
No. The thing is,
Yes.
try to understand here. Okay. What I'm telling these all information to you, these all are the default features available in TOSCA. Okay. If you don't know this feature, so in further in if you have any situation, so what you'll do directly will scan those modules. Instead of scanning, already we have some pre-built, right? We'll reuse these things.
No, I accept you, but I think you're telling something.
Mhm.
It's okay. Carry on.
Okay, team. So these all are the standard modules. We'll reuse the standard modules where it is required. Okay. So why I'm giving this information to you? These all are the pre-standard modules. So based on our test case requirement and based on the things, we'll reuse these modules instead of creating. So first day class, we completed one example that is the sample.demo, right? Creating of module. Let me show you one example to you. So here you're able to see one example, right? I hope we completed this one.
Yes, Jyothi.
We completed, right, this example. As a simple words team, what is automation testing? We are interacting to the application through automation tool instead of doing manually. Okay. So here test data management, let me do one thing. I'll show you how to automate one scenario. Okay. So I'll take the Amazon functionality. You know very well Amazon, right? Okay. So see here, this is the Amazon functionality. I'm just doing sign out activity. So after login to the Amazon, so we'll see this UI, right? Now I want to log into the Amazon. So what I'll do? So what are the steps we'll do here? After opening Amazon URL. So we'll do click on hello sign in and accounts and list, right? So do one thing. Go to module section. So I will show you the manual test steps first, Amazon login functionality. So go down, bit down. So this is the Amazon login functionality related all the steps, end-to-end test steps team. So here you can see open URL and click on hello sign in and accounts list. Verify the sign in page and verify email or mobile phone number and enter the mobile number and click on continue, verify the password and enter the password and click on sign out and log out. Okay. So this is the activity and we need to execute this particular scenario in TOSCA. So what we'll do first to create a test case before go to TOSCA, go to the test case section and create one test case here. Let me check out one, create one test case. So see here team. So what is the first step? Open URL. So to open a URL in TOSCA, we have default standard module. So this is the importance of TOSCA team. If you know all the modules, then directly you'll jump to the standard module and you'll drag and drop that open URL here to here and do the operation. If you don't know, then you will struggle how to launch your application and browser these things. So go back to here. So take a copy. Yes. So after launching URL team, so these are the second steps. Wait for 2 seconds to mention this point. So in TOSCA, we have standard module. T-box wait, drag and drop this one and drop it here. So in TOSCA, the time limit is always 2 milliseconds T. So that's why I'm giving here 2000 milliseconds instead of giving. Okay. So the next one is T. Go to the module section. So click on hello sign in and accounts list operation. This accounts list is a control locator. This one is the locator. So we need to scan this locator into TOSCA commander. Go to TOSCA commander and module section. So right click on the module section and scan the application. So click on application and click on scan. The scanning mechanism is very simple here. So we need to select the controls, that's it. So after selecting the control, it will show you is this unique property or not. Directly, it will show you that information to us. So based on that, we'll do the operations. So here my requirement is click on hello sign in and accounts list. So after selecting this one, it will show you if the selected control is unique property or not. See, the selected item is unique only. Click on save and close this window. So drag and drop this module here to here and expand this one. So click on hello sign in. Now do the execution of this particular step. So the click operation on hello sign in is executed successfully. Then scan the email ID and click on continue. Team, rest of the people are able to understand what are the things I'm telling here. Balaji, Sheikh, Vinod.
Yes.
Yeah, Jyothi.
Any coding preferred for this TOSCA automation?
Sorry.
Any coding preferred like Java?
No,
No.
no
Just
coding.
this.
So now we are doing right the scanning mechanism and execution. Only these things. So whatever the locators we want, we'll scan those controls and we'll do the test development. So as of now, we completed up to here.
Okay.
Starting 3 steps we completed, right? So we'll complete rest of the steps as well. So see here, we have another option here to select on screen. Click on select on screen. So this enter email or mobile phone number and continue button, both are unique properties. So after selecting these things, bottom of the screen, you can observe the selected item is unique. You can see the green color text representation. Observe my cursor momenting. Here you can see the selected item is unique message. Okay.
Yes, Jyoti.
And click on save and close this window. So entire TOSCA work is depending upon the scanning mechanism and drag and drop activity. Now we are drag and dropping this module section to test case level. Okay. Then expand this one and enter the actual data. Enter your user ID. Click on continue. I'm doing execution of this one, right click, run in Scratchbook. So entering of email ID and password. Successfully entered it. So, yes. So after that, after passing our email ID password, you can see one more field is appear here. That is the password field and the sign in button. So again, scan these 2 modules and do the test development. Click on application and click on scan option. So here I'm doing select on screen. Click on password and click on sign. So see team, these 2 are unique properties only. Directly click on save and close this window. And drag and drop this last module to the test case and drop to the test case level. And here, enter the password. Then click on sign in button. Right click, run in Scratchbook. So there is no coding team, no need to learn any programming languages, any Python or Java. It's a very, very simple task. Scan the module and do the drag and drop activity. After that, do the test development and execution. That's it. Are you able to see any coding here?
No, Jyoti.
No, no, Jyoti.
So after successful login team, so if you want to log out this one, Again, navigate to hello sign in and accounts list and do the operations. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. So if you want, I'll do one thing. Mouse over, right? Previously, the naming conversion is hello sign in, right? Now we are getting hello and something kind of name and account list, right? So we'll do one thing. Already we have this control locator, hello sign in and accounts list. Okay. We'll do one thing. So we'll drag and drop that hello sign in accounts and list. So I want to do a mouse over there. Okay. So open curly braces, mouse over. That's it. Mouse over and close curly braces or flower brackets. So execute this one. Let me check, is this working? It's working, right? The mouse over. Yes.
Yes, Jyothi.
Yes. Then do click on logout, right? But we don't have logout control here. What you'll do, you can scan that logout control as well again.
And one more thing, Jyothi. Sorry for the interrupt.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, there we mentioned the email ID, right? So that email ID, you can get the text like that. Any operation is there? The email ID was correct or not, like that? Which email ID we are given, right?
So I'm giving valid details only here.
Yeah, that get text also you can get.
Get text. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we'll get the text.
Okay.
So I want to do sign out. This is a sign out hyperlink. Okay. So here you can see the button, right? A sign out hyperlink. We want to highlight this one, but this one is not highlighted because this is not stable. When you do the mouse over, then only you are able to see the logout option here, sign out option. So here, but anyway, you will see here, not username, and do click on sign out. So the class name also you can see here, nav and hidden area. You can select the class name as well. Click on save and close this window. Go to TOSCA and here drag and drop this module here to here. Click on X method. So X is nothing but this is also we are using for click operation only. Click and X both will use for click operation. But the thing is, if you use the click method, you can see the cursor movement in execution level. If you use the X method, now you cannot see any cursor movement. Directly it's do the click operation on sign out. Let me show how it looks like. I'll do the execution both together. Mouse over and click on sign out. Mouse over and click on sign out. So to click on sign out, you cannot see any cursor movement. Directly it's do the sign out activity. Clear? So let me do the execution one more time. I'm closing this Amazon window completely. Okay. And I'll execute this entire test case from the scratch. Yeah. Let's see the execution. Now it will open the application. Yes, Amazon.in. Then it's do the click operation and hello sign in. CT, I'm not doing anything directly. TOSCA interact to the application and TOSCA is doing some activities here. After successful login, again it will do the logout. So successfully logged out here. Clear?
Yes, Jyoti.
So this is the basically workflow.
Then
So
close that window. How to?
yeah, we can do that. So to close that window, we have another standard module. Close browser.
Okay.
Drag and drop this one here to here. And what is the caption of that window? Title of this window, Amazon sign on, right?
Yeah.
Just mention Amazon and star instead of writing entire text. That. Now it will close the only that particular tab. So here we have two Amazons, right? So the first one, which one is the active one? That one is closed here. Okay. Do you want me to execute one more time?
Yes, Jyoti.
Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll close this browser. So there is no browsers open in my system team. Okay. I'm newly executing the script. See. Then mouse over and click on sign out. Then it will close the browser. Fine, completed. So my test case is completed successfully. So if we want to take a report now, so here.
Jyoti, sorry. Can you delete browser cookies and all, and can you relaunch the browser again?
Why? Okay.
Why?
No, why you are asking? It's a kind of working. It's working fine, right? I just want to know the thing.
No. Because maybe the cookies will activate and relaunch the application like that, right? That's what I want to delete the browser history and can you relaunch? Can you?
Sure. I'm doing. Give me a second. So all the cookies and caches are deleted. Okay. Even I close the browser as well. Is this clear now? Kiran? Hello.
Yeah, hello, Jyoti.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you, but I'm not seeing anything on the screen. I'm seeing only the Excel.
Is it? What about others team?
Yeah, we are able to see, Jyoti.
You are able to see, right?
Yeah, where is the browser?
Execution is completed.
Completed, correct.
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Do you
It's
want
done.
to do one more time? No problem for me. I'll do it one more time. So now you're able to see, right, that Edge browser.
Yes. Yeah, okay, Jyoti.
Okay, right? Now it will close the browser.
Yeah, Jyoti, where we mentioned in the test module that browser, which browser we need to open?
So the thing is here, open URL is there, right?
Yeah.
So open URL default, it will launch the default browser of our system. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Even if you're not defining any browser, default, it will launch the default browser.
Okay.
So my system default browser is Edge. Okay.
Okay, then we need to manually it means we can prefer any other browsers.
Yes, then we need to define one parameter. So here there is no parameter, right? That is
Oh.
what it's launching default.
Yeah.
But I want to launch in separate browser, right? So then
Yeah.
I'll create one parameter. The parameter name is browser and the parameter value is Chrome. That's it. No need to pass any path, everything.
Okay.
The same script, it will work in Chrome browser as well.
Yeah. Thank you, Jyoti.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the Chrome browser. Okay. So it's taking much time to load the page in Chrome browser. So that is what I'm getting here. One message, no matching tab was found with following properties. Getting? So
Yeah,
here,
but
here I defined 2000 milliseconds. So it's taking more than that to load the page.
okay.
At the time of running this particular step execution, it will check the tab name, this particular tab name, online shopping site in India, this particular caption.
Okay.
This caption
And
is
one more thing, Jyoti. Actually,
Mm.
you mentioned the time, right, in milliseconds. That
Yes.
much time it will wait, or the locating previously before the time only it will put application. Like implicit wait or explicit wait will work.
So it's a static wait. Okay.
Okay.
So here I mentioned 2000, it will wait 2000 milliseconds. But
Oh.
instead of mentioning like this, we have a global setting as well, project
Okay.
level. So in project level, each and every test step execution level, it will wait 10,000 milliseconds.
Okay.
So
It's a default one.
this is a dynamic wait. So
Okay.
it waits until the page visibility, control visibility.
Okay.
If not, then we are defining some additional waits to wait a bit more time to load the page.
Okay.
That's why I define here the T-box wait.
Okay. Understood.
Jyothi, can we run parallelly in multiple browsers, the same activity?
One by one we can do, cross browsing we can do, parallelly we cannot do.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, team. So we'll connect tomorrow same time.
Okay, Jyoti.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks for this session. Thank you.
When will the actual class start?
So these all are the actual classes only, team. Okay. So additionally, I given here some kind of introduction again. So tomorrow onwards, actual classes will be started. Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
Jyoti.
Duration? Jyoti, duration?
Duration is 30 days.
Oh, it is enough.
Oh, that is enough. For
Okay.
web.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. How to practice?
So if you completed the payment, they will give you the tool installation download link
Okay.
to do the download activity, installation part, everything they will take care of.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Jyoti. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.